This question is on the basis of Hazrat Masih Islam's one statements. Should I read the Urdu again, Huzur?
Yes, please.
ہدایت اور تربیت حقیقی خدا تعالیٰ کا فعل ہے. سخت پیچھا کرنا اور ایک امر پر اصرار کو حد سے گزار دینا، یعنی بات بات پر بچوں کو روکنا اور ٹوکنا، یہ ظاہر کرتا ہے کہ گویا ہم ہی ہدایت کے مالک ہیں اور ہم اس کو اپنی مرضی کے مطابق ایک راہ پر لے آئیں گے. یہ ایک قسم کا شرک خفی ہے. The question is it related to only religious matter or it has got any link with this worldly affairs?
It is related to everything. A child is a child. Sometimes he acts wrongly, not only in religious matters but in worldly matters as well. So Hazrat Masih used to admonish the child softly, and he never used his stick or even slapped any child on the face. He always prayed for them and then left them alone. So this was the treatment of Hazrat Masih towards children, and that is what he had advised his Jamaat as well, because it was reported to him that some people are very harsh on their children. So as Masih admonished them not to be harsh. You can't change anybody, and that is a shirk khafi. It is sort of idolatry, hidden idolatry, where you think that you can change anybody, while only Allah can change the hearts.